Hey guys, NV here, and in this video, we're going to do another photo effect. This one's going to be very quick, by the way. I already have the photographs loaded, and you can download these directly from the link below this video. And what I want to do is resize this photo because I've noticed it is very large, as you can tell, compared to this one here. Okay, so I want to basically make it appear as if she's staring through a rainy window. Okay. But before I do that, I want to resize this. I'm going to say about 2600, something like that. Okay. Zoom back in here. I'm going to duplicate this layer and I'm going to name it woman. Tap the V key on our keyboard, come to this layer, this photo, drag it to this tab and release. And there we go. It's a pretty good size. We may have to resize it up a little bit. We'll name this rain. And I'm going to right click on that, convert to smart object. I'm going to do the same with this one as well. And I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to tap control, hold control, tap the A key. I'm going to resize this rain doc photo. Control T because I want to rescale it up. I want to scale it up just a little bit. All right there. And I'll hide that bottom part just like so. And what I want to do is select the rain layer and I want to turn the opacity down to about 60 something. That's good enough. I'm going to close this one out. Now what I want to do, come down to the fill and adjustment icon, select levels. I'm going to clip it into the rain layer. Okay. I'm going to select the middle tab here, the midtones, and I'm going to drag it to the left to about 170, something like that. Come around there. Okay. And what I want to do is select the woman layer and I want to blur it a little bit. I think this is an afterthought. So let's say about 3, something like that. It's very subtle, but it's there, as you can tell. And again, it's it's an optional thing. You don't have to do that. But I did warn you this was going to be a very quick video, and this is pretty much it. I mean, we could do more, of course. I mean, you can always do more with photographs, but this is a basic little trick how to blend photos together, and it's pretty believable. I don't know where the camera would be coming from, but hey, nonetheless, but this is the effect I wanted to do, and I'm going to go ahead and save it because I do like it. Photo effect 9. Save. And I want to save as an image as well. JPEG. And save. And I think it looks pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. And until next time, I will see you in another video.